I received this 25 pack of energy tea by Total Tea, and it's also herbal too. Now, it comes in this box, and this is in mixed berry on pomegranate, and the packaging may look different when you receive it, and this is what it looks like. You get 25 tea bags. Now, of course, I've been using it, about a third of it's gone, but this is how easy it is to use. So you make sure you have some boiled water, and just like normal tea, you steep it. So you just open this up, and there you go. And it just smells fantastic, very fruity. And you just put it in your cup of boiling hot water and you steep it. About 4 to 6 minutes, give or take, depending on how strong or weak you like to have your tea. And it is as simple as that. So you just wait for it to steep. You don't even need to bounce it up and down, and it just tastes fantastic. Absolutely love it. And gives me a little boost. Absolutely love it. So definitely recommend drinking this in the morning instead of the late afternoon. And it just smells so good. Now, let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of what the tea bag and tea looks like. And it's made of green tea, ginseng root, guayusa, eleuthero root, and cinnamon bark too. And it also has notes of pomegranate as well as mixed berry, like blueberry and raspberry too. Yum, yum, yum. This tea is made in the USA, and it's also kosher and vegan as well as gluten-free too. Tastes so good. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.